Hello guys, my name is Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So if you're not subscribed my YouTube channel, so please click on subscribe button, turn on the notification guys. So in this session, we have to discuss how to install MySQL database and Apache server guys. How to install MySQL database and Apache server guys. So for that we need to have Xampp server or WAMP server. Okay, so we can install Xampp server or WAMP server, or if you want to install MySQL database only, so yeah, you can have various application guys. So you can use various application. So for that, to install MySQL database here, so I'm using Xampp server, and that Xampp server I have already downloaded and I kept it in D drive, okay, in D drive and software folder guys. So this is the downloaded application guys. So after downloading this application, what we have to do? We have to click on this application guys. So then after I will click on yes. So now it will ask me to choose your language. So I will select the English language and then I will click on next button guys. Okay. Then after we will avoid to install this Xampp server in C drive guys. Okay, so why we will avoid this to install in C drive? Because generally when we will format, when we need to format our system guys, when we need to format our system, so at that time, okay, we couldn't get the backup, okay. So generally we will avoid to install this Xampp application in C drive guys, because in C drive we install our operating system, okay. So hence we will avoid to install this Xampp application in C drive. So hence I will change drive location, okay. So drive location, so then I will select a D drive. Okay, I will select D drive, and in D drive I will install guys. Okay, I will install this Xampp. You can see guys, I have changed. Okay, drive location. Now then I will click on next button. Okay, and then I will select all these three options guys. Okay, all these three options you can select. All these three options you can select guys. Okay, and why we will select this three option? Because when we will start our system, so as soon as we start our system, so this application will be active guys, this application will be active. Otherwise if we don't select this, so we need to manual, okay, start this this services, okay, every time guys. So okay, this services we need to start, okay, manually guys, every time. Okay, so hence we will select, okay, by default whenever we will start our system, so by default this application will be active guys. Okay, so now I will click on install button. Okay, so now you can see guys, so Xampp is installing guys, so it will take a bit of time. It is installing. So now this Xampp application installing. Okay, so we select D drive, and in D drive, okay, this is a Xampp folder. Okay, so now it will create a Xampp folder. If it will create a Xampp folder, and now here you can see guys, so Xampp application, okay, installing at here. So now it will take almost around 1 minute of time. Let the Xampp to install guys. And I'm using Xampp 32-bit of Xampp guys. Okay, 32-bit Xampp. So you can use 64-bit Xampp guys. I'm using older version for MySQL database and Xampp application guys. So you can download new version. So now installation almost going to complete guys. Okay, so installation is finished, guys. So now it will start the services. So it is checking port numbers, some port numbers. So now you can see, guys, so service installation finished. Okay, use also some control panel to manage services, guys. I will click on OK. Okay, congratulations. So we will get a successful message, guys. Okay, so now I will click on yes. Okay, okay, guys. So now, then after what we have to do, guys? So we have to active. Okay, we have to run MySQL or Apache service. Okay, Apache service by using this panel, guys. So you can see, you can see. So now this will be the Xampp control panel, guys. Okay, so now you can check Xampp control panel. Okay, on start button, guys. So now otherwise you can check at here, guys. Okay, so now then I will run this control panel. Okay, so now you can see, guys, so this three services running, guys. Okay, so now if this services is not running, like let's say something like this, guys. Okay, if this, okay, service is not running, okay, something like this, so we have to start this services, guys, after installing Xampp server. So we have to start this services. So I will start this service. I will also start this MySQL service, guys. And now we no need to start FileZilla right now. Okay, so now then after what we have to do, we will open any web browser. We will open any web browser. We will open any web browser, and then after uh, like, okay, so like, then after what we have to do, we have to type at a browser. Okay, in browser, localhost. Okay, localhost, and then slash php myadmin, guys. Okay, localhost slash php myadmin. So now you will see, guys, so this is okay, MySQL database, guys. This is MySQL database. This is MySQL database. Okay, so if we stop this service, so now we will not get this page, guys. Okay, we will not get that page because we stop that. Okay, you can see, guys. Okay, now we are getting, okay, error message. So hence, okay, we will start this service first. Now after starting this service, okay, so now you will see the running status here. So now then after, okay, we will type localhost slash php myadmin. Okay, now this is our MySQL database, guys. So now if we want to set a password, so what we have to do, we have to say localhost Xampp, okay, localhost Xampp, okay, and then I will click on English option. Okay, and now uh, from this option we have to select security option. Okay, because we want to change the password of our MySQL database, guys. So now I will say, I will click on security option. Okay, I will click on this security option, guys. Okay, security option, and now then from security option we have to click on this link. We have to click on this link, guys. Okay, we have to click on this link. I will click on this link. Now it will prompt me to enter my password. Okay, so by default the password, okay, by default the password in the beginning, okay, when you will install MySQL, okay, or Xampp server. So now you will see, guys, so MySQL database opening, okay, by default, because the pass by default the password will be blank, guys. By default the password will be blank. Okay, for database, guys. Username is root. Username is root, guys. Okay, username is root. Okay, so now, okay, new, then, okay, so now Okay, by default MySQL, okay, database provides, okay, root, okay, username root, okay, and the password, okay, password will be blank, guys. Okay, password will be blank password, guys. Okay, blank password. Okay, but username will be root, password will be blank. But if you want to change the password, so now what we have to do, guys? So we have to type, okay, localhost and Xampp, localhost Xampp, and then we have to click on security option, okay, and then from security we have to click on this link. Okay, now it will prompt me to type my password. So I will say, let's say admin is the password for my MySQL database, admin. Okay, and now, okay, now I will click on password changing option, guys. Okay, so now I change, okay, I change my MySQL database password as admin, guys. So now when we will, okay, open my, when we will try to open MySQL database, so now it will prompt me to type my username. My username is root here, and then recently I have changed the password as admin, guys. So now root and admin. Now you will see, guys. Okay, now MySQL database page is opening, guys. So now here you can type queries, guys. Okay, so here you can type queries like a create a database. Okay, create a database. Okay, like for example, okay, demo, create a database demo. Okay, now you can see, guys, demo blank database, okay, got created. So now if we want to create table, if you want to create table, so now okay, we can create table by typing query, or 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 here we can say directly, we can say I want to, let's say I want to create persons table. Okay, persons table, and how many columns? 4 columns. So now, okay, I will click on go. First column name ID, okay, second column name, age, and phone, something like this. ID as integer, name as a varchar, age as a integer, guys. Okay, and the phone as a, okay, again integer, guys. Okay, or varchar. Now for varchar, okay, I will say 100, okay, or 100 here, and now then after I will take on auto increment option and the primary key, guys. Okay, now I will click on save button. You will see, guys, okay, in demo database, okay, persons table, okay, got created. So in this way, either you can create table, okay, by typing query, guys. Okay, by typing query you can create it. You, if you want to create table, okay, by using query, so you can write query, okay, by using this SQL option. Or if you want to create table by using UI, so now, okay, you can see, guys, so create a new table on database. So you can create like employees tables, okay, and then number of fields. Okay, so in this way you can install MySQL database Apache service, okay, by using Xampp server, guys. Got it, guys? So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Okay, thank you.